The 1951 Harley-Davidson Flying Pan by Thunderbike. Vintage bikes are unrefined, simple, and rough around the edges, making them the perfect basis for custom bike building. Thunderbike has been busy working on a custom vintage bike itself, as it rebuilt, restored, and customized a 1951 Harley-Davidson EL Pan Head. Thunderbike began by completely stripping the frame and body, and draping it in a matte black undercoat. Over this base coat are highlights of orange and white, also in a matte finish. The paint and striping was completed by Kruse Design. This gives the bike a modern look while retaining its vintage feel. The vintage, single-rider, custom seat was built by Maas Sitz Leder. On the front and rear, this custom Harley L features TB Vegas wheels wrapped in Firestone rubber. Next to each rim, you get a K-Tech brake disc to help bring this vintage bike to a halt much faster than its factory drum brakes could. Mounted to the frame is a 74 cubic inch twin-cylinder pan head motor. This motor has been fully gutted and rebuilt to the original factory specifications, and all of the brightwork has been recoated in nickel. This twin-cylinder powerplant features an S&S Super E fuel system, S&S manifold, TB classic air filter, and a TB Flying Pan Special exhaust system that is coated in matte black. Driving the power to the rear wheel is a belt-to-chain drive system, mixing a little bit of the old and new. Thunderbike has yet to release a price on this custom bike, but we're pretty confident that it'll range somewhere between expensive and completely outrageous. What we do know is that this bike looks completely awesome and is currently available in Germany.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.